Turning their nose up, understanding disapproval. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, turning their nose up. It's a colorful expression that you might hear in various contexts, and understanding it can really add depth to your comprehension of English. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you get a grasp on this interesting idiom. The phrase, turning their nose up, is used to describe a person who is showing disapproval or contempt for something. It's as if they're literally lifting their nose to indicate that something is beneath them or not good enough for their standards. This expression is often used to convey a sense of snobbery or disdain towards a person, object, event, or idea. Using turning their nose up in sentences is straightforward once you understand its meaning. It can be used in both literal and figurative contexts, although it's most commonly used figuratively. Here are a few examples to help you get started. She turned her nose up at the idea of eating fast food, insisting on dining at more upscale restaurants. Despite the generous offer, he turned his nose up at the opportunity, believing he deserved something better. They turned their noses up at the budget accommodations, preferring to stay somewhere more luxurious. It's important to know when and how to use this phrase appropriately. Turning their nose up is a bit informal and can be seen as critical or negative, so it's best used in casual conversations or when describing someone's behavior in a story or anecdote. It's not typically used in formal writing or professional contexts. Now that you understand what it means to turn their nose up at something, you can start incorporating this phrase into your English conversations and writings. It's a great way to express disapproval or disdain in a vivid and colorful way. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions like this one is a fantastic method to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!